This is a 2005 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. It features a 6.0-liter 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: a double wishbone independent front suspension, a heavy-duty suspension, automatic locking wheel hubs, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, chrome bumpers, dusk sensing headlights, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, and this vehicle has fewer than 52,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Burdick Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 5885 East Circle Drive in Cicero.